Okay, let's get into it. Alright guys, the moment we have all been waiting for, or the moment I have especially been waiting for, the M1928 Tommy Gun. Somebody, I don't know who, P4wnyhof, shout out to him. I don't know if him or his team found out, but it doesn't matter. The Tommy Gun can actually compete now. And for those who, they play with me since the Vanguard integration, know that I've been waiting for this Tommy Gun to be competable. Like when you picked it up off the ground and when you got it out the gulag, it felt really good. But every time you made your own loadout, it's like it always fell short for some reason. I don't know what it is. You know what I'm saying? So it's playable now. The movement speed is there. You know, I'm gonna drop some content for you guys in a little bit, show you guys the gameplay of it. But like I said, the gun feels really, really good now, and I'm so glad that this gun can actually compete. This is one of my favorite guns in the game and in real life. And for those who don't know, when the Vanguard integration first happened, this was my first loadout. So Vanguard, I was drop rocking the Tommy gun and the NZ41. We're not gonna get to NZ41 because now it's been nerfed in XYZ. But when it first dropped, the NZ41 it was no bueno. It was no bueno. It's no good. It's no good. But back to this Tommy gun though. It's basically a fun gun to run now. I recommend you use it. It's definitely some type of skill gap, so you know what I'm saying, you gotta know what you're doing with the gun. But if you know what you're doing with it and you keep it in his range, you could probably stretch it out as most maybe 15 meters, and that's really, really a stretch. You know what I'm saying? You got really good stretched out there for it. But from 10 in, this is it. This gun fries. So like I say, you guys can get a YouTube video in a little bit, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Pure comedy.
That
Pure
nigga said
comedy.
Rob with the cheeks.
Nah, bro, you said that shit, bro.
No,
Yeah,
no,
yes,
no, I did
nigga.
not. You
Yes,
said that,
nigga. It did not go out. Yes, it
bro.
did go out.
In that case, it did go out.
It
Okay,
went out,
did
bro.
not say that.
He's telling me the dad, bro.
I think the only banger SMG actually got leveled up is the Tommy gun, like somewhat.
Yeah. Satyam.
What's up, man?
Man, nothing trying to.
Y'all get any dubs out Carlo?
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Shut up, bro.
I'm
Shut
glad.
up,
I couldn't code it in. God damn
bro.
it.
You're stupid, bro. Yeah, I'm trying to run. I'm trying to try out this new SMG, bro. Oh, this could do not matter.
Base was found in
La 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 la. I'm gonna try this Tommy gun out. I'll let y'all know how it goes.